I will brief you on these operations which were conducted over the past couple of days in the Tangdhar sector, in which 5 terrorists have been eliminated. We had credible intelligence inputs that there is likely to be an infiltration in this sector, because of which we had placed a number of our interception groups to trap these terrorists. On the night of 24th of May, we saw an infiltrating column through the surveillance devices coming into the icy and snowbound heights of the Tangdhar sector, uh, based on which we redeployed some of our interception detachments in order to trap these terrorists. On the night of 25th, 26th May, these terrorists walked into the interception nets which had been and the ambushes which had been placed, and they were challenged, but they retaliated with a heavy volume of fire and were engaged by our troops at that point of time. The terrorists tried to withdraw and break contact, but our vigilant troops and the commanders on ground did not permit them to do so. And contact continued to be established with these infiltrating column, these terrorists which had come in. On the night of 25th, 26th May, uh, again there was a fierce gunfight at 2 locations. The terrorists had split into 2 groups, and over the next few hours, in the early morning hours of 26th of May, 5 terrorists were eliminated. Our troops on ground, our young officers, commanders, who have been who had been part of this operation, have shown a great amount of tactical acumen. They have succeeded in foiling an infiltration bid of a group of terrorists which were very heavily armed. They had modern weaponry, they had modern equipment, they were carrying under-barreled grenade launchers, and we succeeded in eliminating them without any casualties to our troops, which is indeed credible. The recoveries, as you have seen on your way in and are displayed for those of you who have not seen it, are indicative of active aiding and abetting of this kind of movement by Pakistan, because we see a lot of these food items, the equipment with Pakistan markings on them. Notwithstanding, I would also like to highlight this, is that the movement of this infiltrating column was also detected from very close to the Pakistani posts across the line of control. That is all as far as the brief of these operations are concerned. I'm willing to take a couple of questions as far as these operations are concerned only. Thank you for your question. There are a number of launching pads, as we are aware, across the line of control, and intelligence inputs do suggest that there are a number of groups which are waiting to infiltrate into our area across the line of control. We expect that there will be more such bids in the future. We are exercising utmost restraint as far as this holy month of Ramzan is concerned, and the ceasefire which has been promulgated by the government. Notwithstanding that, I would just like to sum it in one phrase: actions speak louder than words. And while we are respecting what has been promulgated, Pakistan obviously does not intend to do so. We have had this infiltration bid over the last couple of days, and it's something which is very obvious to all of us. We are ever vigilant along the line of control. We will foil any such bid or any such attempt. Our troops are ready to negate any such attempt.
सर सूत्रों का